So, good day. We are the group 7. So, here's our project for human-computer interaction titled Wikipedia Simplified Website Design. So, here's the members of group 7. Tagum Mark, Relias Adrian James, Ridolfin Maria Hibet, Repia Abigail. So, are you ready? So, this is our project overview. Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia with entries covering a wide variety of subjects. It is one of the most widely used reference websites in the world and is run by editors who donate their time. Everyone with internet connection is able to contribute to and edit articles on Wikipedia as they are collaboratively written and edited with certain guidelines and constraints in place to maintain accuracy and trustworthiness. Articles on Wikipedia include a broad range of topics such as biographies, current affairs, history, science, technology, arts, and culture. Every article usually includes a summary of the subject and pointers to other sources for additional reading or information. There are numerous language editions of Wikipedia, each with its own community of administrators and editors. Wikipedia is frequently mentioned in academic research and journalism, and despite the occasional controversy about its authenticity and dependability, it has grown to be a useful source of general knowledge on a wide range of issues. The Wikipedia's logo is a globe made of jigsaw puzzle pieces. Some of the puzzle pieces are missing, symbolizing that Wikipedia is always under construction and there is always more information to be added. The text above the logo says Wikipedia in various languages, including Japanese and Greek. Surrounding the logo, text written in various languages emphasize Wikipedia's global reach and accessibility. At the top center, Wikipedia is displayed in Chinese characters, while Wikipedia appears in Japanese on the top right. Finally, the bottom right corner features the Greek letter Omega, symbolizing the vastness of knowledge within Wikipedia's ever-expanding collection. So, Wikipedia is an important part of our society, though it offers a wide range of information regarding a bunch of things. Though, as we know, it is a free encyclopedia, having this kind of website helps us to lessen the struggle of finding an answer to our thoughts. The users of this website are those personas who want some answer regarding their concern, and also by having this simplified version of Wikipedia helps those users to use it as easily as they can. We want the users to have a comfortable usage of the website, so we propose this simplified version of Wikipedia, but there are some advantages and disadvantages. One of the advantages of this design is a comfortable usage of the website, but on the other hand, this design might be hard to those existing users who used to deal with the original design.
So next, this is the our mock-up design of what we have created in Wikipedia website. So first, the welcome page of the Wikipedia. So balit meron po ditong button na create account, login, and pwede tayong mag-change ng language, ng available language. So next. So next web page is the main page of the Wikipedia. So pwede tayong so dito po di-display yung mga article na sa Wikipedia. Next. So next, ito po yung login page na ginawa po namin na meron po, pwede tayong mag-input ng username and password ng account natin. So next web page is the sign up page. So pwede tayong mag-create ng account sa Wikipedia. So next web page is the reset password page. So pwede natin palitan yung password na sa ating account na ginawa. So next web page is the view source or the edit page ng web page ay ng Wikipedia. So dito pwede po natin pwede tayong mag-edit ng article sa Wikipedia. So So next the user flow of our mock-up design. So bali ito po yung flow na ginawa po namin. First the welcome page na pwede na kapag nag-search tayo ng wikipedia.com, ito po yung unang lalabas, yung welcome page. Then kapag pinag-click po natin yung icon or the logo ng Wikipedia, mapupunta sa main page. Then kapag maglalagin tayo ng account, then kapag magsa-sign up or magre-reset ng password. Then kapag may account na, nakalagin na yung account, pwede tayong mag-edit ng article sa Wikipedia, which is yung edit page yung maglalabas. So that's all. Thank you for watching.